very good morning to our Ranscourt listeners, and welcome to the European Rundown for today, Monday the 14th of November. And in terms of weekend news flow, the Italian political situation pretty much going as broadly expected, with the lower house passing the 2012 budget and Berlusconi stepping down has paved the way for Mario Monti then to become, at least for the time being, the head of Italy. FT newspaper reporting as well that he'll look to outline his cabinet by this Wednesday. Bit of apprehension though in the markets, equities after the higher open in Europe, with the Nikkei and Shanghai comp finishing in positive territory, did grind lower. We did see a bit of weight in the financial stocks in terms of that underpinned the rise in fixed income, with some spread widening heading into that release. In terms of the 5-year BTP sale though from the Italian Treasury, the actual cover ratio was relatively solid comparative to the previous when auctioned last in October. In terms of the yields, as expected, did show quite a high jump, but overall they sold €3 billion, which was at the top end of the indicative range, so managed to get that sale away without many issues, even in spite of the volatility we saw last week. And as such then, we've seen a bit of a bounce off the respective lows in the equity markets and the euro currency. Elsewhere though, sterling in the currency markets has remained a little bit weak. A Sunday Telegraph article which is looking ahead to the Bank of England quarterly inflation report due for release on Wednesday has seen the cable weaken, as it expected that the Bank of England will slash their growth forecast for both this year and in 2012. Other things to keep an eye on is the Spanish 10-year government bond yield spread over bunds. That has bucked the trend and is generally wider by around 10 basis points at the moment, above that psychological 400 level. This comes ahead of this Sunday's general elections there in Spain, and also T-bill sales on Tuesday, with the Treasury also coming to market with a 10-year offering on Thursday. In terms of looking ahead then, the calendar's pretty quiet for today, so I'd like to keep things very much focused on Europe. But for the time being, that's all from me, so have yourself a great trading day.